Ciao, I'm Carvelli, Master of Finance. Thanks so much for tuning in today. Our topic today is car flipping, the 10 best cars to flip. 1. The best cars to flip are sedans, hands down. 2. Be careful with luxury cars, but if you get them cheap enough, you can make a pile of money. But you really got to do your research and see if they're hot or not. 3. Try to find cars that are not too old, but also not on dealers' lots. It's very important you get that happy medium. It's a great way to get some market share. 4. Stick to smaller engines, even if it's an SUV or a truck. Gas mileage is huge and economy is the way to go. 5. Typically, imports have higher resale value. Also, their transmissions and motors are notoriously known to last longer. 6. Create a niche and only buy minivans, for example, and make a name for yourself, such as the minivan woman or the minivan man. It's a great way to go. 7. You have to look at your climate and terrain. For example, if you're in a hot city all year round, you can look at sports cars or convertibles. But if you're in mountains, for example, you can look at SUVs or trucks. And remember, they have to have some torque. 8. Look around your city or town what people are driving. And also study books, online, whatever you got to do to figure out your demographics. 9. You can import cars from other countries to your country. This is a great way to have an upper hand and have some market share in a rare market. 10. Whatever country you're flipping cars in, you could get the data, online, books, etc. Whatever you got to do. And it's going to give you an upper hand on your competition, knowing the best-selling cars for that year. I'm Carvelli. It's time you get the help you deserve today. Click on the links below for my ebooks, courses, and merchandise at MasterofFinance.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram and TikTok. And like us on Facebook at Carvelli Master of Finance. Tell all your friends and family worldwide about these great videos. And don't forget to check out Carvelli.Foundation for some great causes. Thanks so much for tuning in today. God bless. Much love.